Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain coordinate geometry, and this is from mathematics, and this coordinate geometry is also known as analytical geometry. And this coordinate geometry is developed by René Descartes. And he is a European mathematician, and he developed the idea of the plane and the coordinate axis. And the next one, coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. And in this coordinate geometry, it tells about an ordered plane which consists of the values of two axes, and that was x and y axis. And this coordinate geometry tells about the values of these two coordinates, and this is the used to locate the points, locate the villages like that. If we take coordinate axis only, okay, and if you see, there are four rectangular axes, which means axis. This is the plural form, and singular form axis. X-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. And in this is quadrant 1, which is xy plane, and this is quadrant 2, which is minus xy plane, which means only x is negative, or xy plane. This is Q2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. And in this quadrant 1, x values and y values are positive. X values and y values are positive. And in this quadrant 2, x value negative, y value positive. Okay. And in this Q3, x negative, y negative. And in this Q4, x positive, y negative. Okay. So these are the four rectangular axes. Okay, this is one of the axis, this is one of the axis, this is one of the axis, this is one of the axis. Okay. And if we see, in a room, how to look at the clock? If there is a clock on the wall, like this, if I take this as a wall, and here the clock is there, how to look at the clock? Which means, take like this rectangular axis. I am taking like this only. We can take anywhere, like this, which means like this, like this. For simplicity, I am taking this as like this. This is origin 0, 0. Here, for any coordinate axis, this joining point is origin and the value is 0, 0, because origin means starting point. Okay. And here, take 1, 2, 3. And here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this is the x value, x values, y values. How to look at the clock? And in this, the main topic is represent an order pair with the values of x and y. Okay. And here, x coordinate value means the distance from y axis. The distance from this y axis, which means 3. The distance from y-axis is known as 3. Here, this is not the value of 3. The y-axis value is 3 here. The value is 1. See here? 1. Like this. Okay. And the y value is the distance from x-axis, which means like this. Okay. And if we represent 1, 3, okay, the distance from y-axis and the distance from x-axis, okay, we have to like this represent a dotted line structure. Here the point is 1, 3. Okay. So this is the basic introduction of coordinate geometry. And here main point, in this coordinate axis x, x dash, y, y dash, q1, q2, q3, q4. Here q1 intersection q2 is equal to 5. Q2 intersection Q3 is equals to 5. Q3 intersection Q4 is equal to 5. Q4 intersection Q1 is equal to 5. Because here this positive values. If we intersect the values of this negative value and positive value, nothing will come. Okay. So this is the basic introduction of coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. Here the coordinate geometry main reason is to represent in a plane with the order pair values of x-axis value and y-axis value. Okay. And here distance formula. Next one, distance formula. I will tell only formula, and in the next class I will tell some examples. And if I take a coordinate axis like this, and here one of the object is there, I am taking this as D1, D2. Okay. So the distance formula is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula, and the proof is in the next class. Okay. So remember this formula, and in next class I will tell proof and some examples. Okay. And this is the today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.